Hi, welcome back my friends. Today's video is gonna be a speed painting of my version of Kiki delivery service. So go make a cup of tea and join me. It's really hard to pick which scenes to draw because every scene in the movie is so beautiful. The street, the houses, even the bread looks so good. I picked this scene where Kiki was in her mother's greenhouse at the end. Okay, now go to grab a pen, pencil, or your iPad. Come and join me to draw this together. I do not want to just copy the scene. I redrew it in my own style and put my characters, my cat, Umi and Udon, inside the illustration. I have attached the line sheet on my description box. You can print it out in color with me while watching this video. I've also uploaded this illustration wallpaper for you guys to download. Just check it out in my website if you like it. I'm using a watercolor for a simple color plan. Just uploaded the files. You can find a reference photos or color pattern before you start. It will clear your head about how the illustration is gonna look like. Or sometimes I'll play with the huge saturation buttons. It's on Procreate, Photoshop or any other of the software. You may try it and to see more possibilities. It might give you more ideas in how to draw the illustration. That is how Udon sounds like when she is being lonely and want attention. I am trying to keep the whole drawing simple, so I did not draw the cat as colorful as it is inside the movie. I've left the right side of the balloon blank, since there is where sunlight's gonna come in. When I'm confused where the light's gonna be, I draw the sun and try to imagine how the lights will look like in the scenery like it's in the real world. It helps me to identify where it's supposed to have a lighter color and where to draw the shadow. And I think you can do what I did here. If you got confused about the shadows and light as well, it might help you a little bit. Let's see what Umi Udon looks like. Umi is a sealed mint ragdoll, which means she has dark marks on her face like a raccoon, while Udon have the face of a black hole. Lots of my friends think they're a different breed. However, they're both ragdoll cats with a very, very different personality. Udon is loud and loves attention, while Umi prefers to stay by her own. Yet Umi is the one who loves sleeping on my bed, and Udon loves to sleep on her own in the living room at night. Like most siblings, they fight a lot. Let's take some time to watch them fighting, shall we? It's actually my first time watching Kiki Delivery Service. I've heard about it, but I never made up my mind to watch it. I really like Studio Ghibli Movie. I smooth away how a moving cancer was birthed hot. The world that they created is so simple and magical. The drawing is so delicate. It teaches you a lot if you take a closer look into their art. I've bought their art concept book and it's completely worth it. If you're a watercolor painter or lover, you'll certainly even more enjoy these books. And talking about the movies, I think Ursula is my favorite character. She is an artist who lives inside the forest and enjoys drawing the nature. That was completely, entirely my dream job. When Kim loses her power to fly, Ursula helps her to relax and tell her magic is just like drawing. To stop trying too hard helps in regaining her probabilities, her productivities, and creativities. I didn't really expect to see such a relatable character in this movie, so it feels like she's talking straight to me. If you were a creator who always have art block like me, I would strongly recommend you to check out this movie. It's something different than what I expected, but I absolutely enjoy it. enjoy painting the plant in outwardly fluffy way. I can do this without thinking, it's just so relaxing. But just a reminder, you don't have to draw exactly like how I did. Just do it on your own style, or do it in the style that you enjoy. That was the point of drawing, I think. It doesn't have to be pretty, but more about how you're enjoying it. That is what's important. So from here you can see I did leave some places blank, or I did have places that I didn't draw with many details. I think it is important for you to know what your limitation is. I knew that if I draw too many details, if I'm too focused, if I'm too obsessed about drawing everything very complicated, I will never finish my drawing. This is what I know about me. So it is very important for you to understand what you are. Do you feel like you're this person who obsesses with details, or do you think that you just want to finish it in a way that makes you more comfortable? I realized myself I procrastinate a lot, so if I do a drawing with too many details, I will eventually give it up. So I think it's important for you to know what you like and what makes you comfortable. Here's the closer look of my illustration. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to go download this free illustration wallpaper in my link down below. See you on my next video. また明日